Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you view upcoming tasks in your Salesflare? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to view your upcoming tasks in Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably managing a lot of different projects, teams, and customers. And with Salesflare, you can set up various tasks so you can check on them and see which ones are coming up due. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see your upcoming tasks, there's a few different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way that's personalized to your account, you're going to click on tasks here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the tasks that are suggested for the day. But to see any upcoming tasks, click on this calendar button here on the top left. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the upcoming tasks that are geared to you and your account. So you can easily scroll through or even mark them as finished by clicking on the blue check mark. Now, if you're looking for upcoming tasks for a certain account, you can click here on the left, accounts. It looks like a little building button. Once you do that, choose the company or the account. So we'll click on Yahoo. And then next, what we're going to do is up here on the top, click on tasks. Okay, so now you're going to see all of the upcoming tasks just for that one particular account. So if we switch over to, let's say, Salesflare right here, and we do the same thing, click on tasks. Okay, so now you can see it's only showing the tasks for that one particular account that I have. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to see upcoming tasks in your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.